Achieving holistic health. Your journey to holistic health starts with three key pillars: hydration, nutrition, and exercise. By focusing on these fundamental elements, you can energize your body, boost your mood, and cultivate lifelong wellness. Let's dive in and explore how to incorporate these healthy habits into your daily life. Stay hydrated, drink 8 glasses. Staying hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water per day can improve digestion, boost energy levels, and support overall health. Carry a bottle. Keep a reusable water bottle handy to make it easy to sip water throughout the day, whether you're at work, running errands, or working out. Track your intake. Use a hydration tracking app or chart to monitor your daily water consumption and ensure you're meeting your personal hydration goals. Eat a balanced diet, fruits and veggies. Incorporate a variety of colourful fruits and vegetables into your meals to provide your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and fibre. Whole grains. Choose whole grain options like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread to fuel your body with complex carbohydrates and fibre. Lean proteins. Include lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu to build and repair muscle and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Healthy fats. Incorporate healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to support brain health, heart health, and hormone balance. Get moving cardio. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity cardio exercise like walking, jogging, or cycling to improve heart health and boost energy. Strength training. Incorporate strength-building exercises like resistance training or bodyweight exercises to build muscle, increase metabolism, and improve bone density. Flexibility. Stretch and practice yoga or Pilates to improve flexibility, balance, and mobility, which can help prevent injury and reduce stress. The benefits of healthy habits. Improved digestion. Staying hydrated and eating a balanced diet rich in fibre can promote healthy digestion and reduce issues like bloating, constipation, and acid reflux. Increased energy. Proper hydration, nutrient-dense foods, and regular exercise can all contribute to higher energy levels and improved overall vitality. Better sleep. A healthy lifestyle that includes stress-reducing activities like exercise can lead to more restful and restorative sleep. Mind and body connection, mental well-being, emotional balance, physical health, nutritional needs, hydration tracking. Your progress. 8 glasses, 30 minutes, 5 servings, 7 hours. Staying accountable to your health goals is key. Track your daily water intake, exercise duration, fruit and vegetable servings, and sleep duration to measure your progress and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated and inspired. Your healthy future awaits. Hydrate, nourish, move, thrive. Adopting a holistic approach to health by prioritizing hydration, nutrition, and physical activity will set you up for long-term wellness and vitality. Take the first step today and watch as your energy, mood, and overall well-being transform. The path to a healthier, happier you starts here.